ready. We'll rinse everything down. Then we gotta move this furniture on the back of the house. Hey puppy. Have to be careful with this stuff, of course. Super nice, isn't it? We'll clean all this concrete. Up in here, we'll rinse all this stuff really good, but no chemical up top. Yeah, they did a really good job back here. You can grab that brush and brush these windows as I rinse them. What's up, YouTube? Back here with another wash video. Got a house today. This was the first job of 3 on this day. We did 2 houses, a separated shop, and then we did Chick-fil-A at night. And as you can see, this is probably the 3rd time we've washed this house in the last couple years. Typically it's 2 times a year, and this customer takes really good care of their property. So really on the front side of this house, it's just knocking the dust and cobwebs and stuff like that off. I think I'll talk about something right here. It's always nice coming to a house where like people take care of it. But yeah, like I was saying, this customer, we really just came here to knock the dust, the dirt, stuff like that off the house. We did use a little bit of chemical on the backside. Not sure how well I show that in the video. Smart way to get a free car wash. Yeah. Hey, what's up, man? We're at a house right now, and then finishing this up, and then gotta go to another house, and then gotta do a shop, and then Chick-fil-A tonight. Nice. Like I was saying, really just knocking the dust and stuff off this house. We had a little bit of algae growth on the backside, so we used a little bit of chemical on this wall. You can see right here I start spraying chemical, but not much really. Did a little bit of surface cleaning around the pool, and that was basically it. Pretty simple house wash. This is really just like a maintenance cleaning. These are the customers that you want, guys. These are the ones that actually care about their house. They take care of it, and it takes you, an hour to get the whole place done, and you make pretty good profit because you're not using a lot of chemical. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna let the video play, let y'all enjoy a little bit of time lapse, and I'll come back towards the end of the video. Hope y'all enjoy. Did you hear that car passing by? It sounded like like in the old Star Wars movies, those H. That was terrible, but. Yeah. Well, guys, that's about it. That's all I got for you today. I've got a couple more videos that I'm working on right now, so be on the lookout for that. If you're new, subscribe, like the video, leave a comment of what you want to see. I'm working on making, a little bit more content for y'all. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see y'all on the next one, guys. Thank y'all so much. Here's some pictures of the final product. Peace.